very excited because ACTA has a breakthrough in refrigeration and heating. So we all know the problem. The problem is that air conditioning is a technology over 100 years old that's ripe for disruption. Compressor-based air conditioning uses toxic chemicals, i.e. Freon. It's extremely energy inefficient, and it's unreliable. Who here has had a breakdown in their air conditioning, right? It happens all the time. Our solution is what we call a thermoelectric cooler, or TEC for short. It has no Freon, it's very low cost, it has no moving parts, it's over 40% more energy efficient than compressor-based air conditioners, and it uses semiconductor technology, so it's extremely scalable. The benefits of our solution, it's closed loop, no chemicals, it does both heating and cooling from one module. It's very modular, so if you want 5,000 BTUs or 100,000, you just stack them up. It's completely silent. I wish that I had one in my hotel room last night because they're very loud. They're lightweight, low cost, and very long life. So how it works, on the right-hand side, you see an N and a P, that's essentially a semiconductor, a negative and a positive junction. When you flow electricity through that, one side creates hot and one side creates cold. Our first innovation was to bring the cooling fluid directly on the hot and the cold. And what we've been making it over the last 20 or 30 years, you have all these layers of repeats. We got rid of that. So ours is extremely efficient. And we have another 25 innovations beyond this. So the key part to remember is we use about 45% less power. But keep in mind, this is an industry where like a 2% improvement is a monumental breakthrough. So 45% less power. How we do it? When our system is this blue line is charged, don't play fast, I don't have much time. When we get to the set point, like 70 degrees in your house, after 30 minutes, we can bring the power down to 2 amps and keep it there, very, very low power input. We save so much energy. The compressor-based, whenever it's on, is on 100%. So that's why we're so much more efficient. The opportunity here is massive. 10 air conditioners we sold every second for the next 30 years. Just let that sink in for a second. It's about 9.4 billion units. I did the math. So that makes our TAM over 10 trillion. This is a massive, massive market. And by the way, fun fact, the government has outlawed Freon in the 2023 AIM Act. So in 10 years, our competition cannot operate. So in terms of our traction, our key patents have been filed. We raised money in our seed round from a strategic investor. This is our version 3 prototype. And we have a $12 million initial order, which we will start delivering in Q3, Q4 of this year. So in terms of our revenue highlights, we had our first revenue last year. We expect to be profitable this year. Our business model is to build cores. We want to be the Intel inside of air conditioning. So here, well on a path to 100 million of EBITDA in 5 years. That puts us well over $1 billion valuation. The team is composed of experts in refrigeration, engineering. I can go through this with anyone offline. So our fundraising, we're raising $5 million. This is our A round. Use of proceeds, the majority of it is to grow the company, and we're QSBS tax treatment eligible. So, so in summary, if I can only leave you with one thing to remember, the shift from Freon condensed gases to solid-state thermoelectric coolers, heat pumps, is inevitable. So, for 4 reasons. 1, no Freon. Number 2, we're 50% less expensive to buy the unit. Number 3, we're 50% less expensive to operate the unit forever. And number 4, this is here and now. We'll be producing product in the next couple of months. And that's it.